his movie, and it was so glamorous, but then there were all these kind of really, like, interesting, like, adult themes in the film, and I want to, like, you play a man in this movie so wonderfully.
I play a woman playing a man playing a woman.
So how did you do that as an actor?
Put me on my ear, on my head. Sometimes I wasn't sure. It's like tapping your head and rubbing your belly, you know, that feeling.
Yeah.
And I guess I watched the guys in the movie a lot. I watched James Garner, who's a great friend. And Robert Preston, also a wonderful friend. And I noticed that men are much less busy than girls. I mean, first of all, they sit usually with their knees apart and hands in pockets, and there's not an awful lot of hand movement and stuff like that. So I tried to be, for the man, as still as I possibly could, and I tried to drop my voice as low as I possibly could. And I don't think I fooled anyone, but the secret that I can tell about the movie is that my husband, we talked about the fact that, you know, could I really get away with it? No, I don't think so. And so he said, Julie, it doesn't matter. The audience inside the movie that's watching you believes that you're a man. So the audience in the theaters will believe what they believe on screen, and it helped a great deal. So it was very
for you. I mean, you know, we noticed you these kind of very proper, elegant women, but you were very sexy in that movie. It really was.
Marlena Dietrich.
Yes, that's very gorgeous.
My other favorite is Princess Bride. Yes, Princess Diaries. And then you did in Princess Diaries 2. You did your own films again?
Yes, I did. Look at the clip. There weren't many, but one or two just were a little odd, I must say.